Well, y'all, I just wanted to say a very few words. I know everybody's enjoying oysters, and I don't want to take too much time away from that, but I did want to take a moment to just say thanks to everybody that's here, that came out today to enjoy this just really, really lovely day. We couldn't have gotten much better weather if we tried. It's great to be around a crowd of people that's got a lot of similar interests, that really cares a lot about the coast of South Carolina and our efforts to protect it from offshore drilling. And the state has really come together and worked hard. The environmental groups in fighting this seismic testing and offshore drilling. And I want to just take a moment to thank some of our partners that have been part of the Don't Drill South Carolina Coalition. And we've got members of the Coastal Conservation League here. We've got Sierra Club members here. We've got the Charleston Waterkeepers here. Of course, the amazing soda team, Scott Offshore Drilling in the Atlantic, who has really been, spearheaded a lot of the grassroots efforts that have just goes to show how powerful we can be when we're all working together. The Geechee Waterkeeper, and of course the Gullah Queen Quet and the Gullah Geechee Nation, who I'm going to have her speak in just a moment, but I also wanted to just prime y'all. It's also an exciting time for us at the Environmental Law Project, because this is our 30th year of doing legal advocacy work for protection of South Carolina's resources. And so we're just more excited and invigorated than ever. I mean, we've got Michael Corley heading up our Greenville office, and his precious little girl Ellis. Hey Ellis. We've got a great team in the Georgetown office, Jesse White and Amelia Thompson, our other two attorneys, and Shannon, Markin, and Filippo, who you all probably met when you first arrived. And so we've really grown. We've got six of us now, and we were 3 just even 10 years ago. So we're real excited about celebrating the next 30 years, and hope that y'all can join us for other opportunities later this year for celebration. And with that, I want to hand the microphone over to Queen Quet. Just tell us a little bit about what this victory means to her and the Gullah Geechee Nation and the efforts to fight offshore drilling and seismic testing.
Good afternoon. How 100 children are doing ya? So glad that all 100 children there from these Sea Island and things like that. It is on the Boyne Island and things like that. And if you look across yonder, you look upon one place called Skeeter Beach, where the Gullah Geechees were still there and things like that. And we've been a fight for whole upon that for years. So 100 acts what it mean to we and things like that. It truly mean we life. Cause these your water and thing. I always tell all the rest of people, say the waterway that we bloodline and the land that we family. So we couldn't have did here without the water. We said the water to bring we, the water going to take we back. So if all the 100 children would have been here and things like that, they don't understand me when I crack my teeth like that. They say, all the 100 come here. You probably prefer for me to speak this way so the rest of you who moved here can understand. But it's all right. So definitely it has been a blessing over the years to work with SCELP on so many successes. And Amy and I were standing outside trying to recall when we first started working together, and it was on a project called the SOS, Saving Our Small Islands, right off the coast of my home island, St. Helena Island. We won then. When we came out to Folly Beach and we all held hands, I told y'all we were going to win this one too, and we did. Give yourselves a round of applause, because this means that we'll continue our cultural heritage, and we have some of the Gullah Geechee Fishing Association members with me here today, and we're continuing to fight to hold on to our subsistence fishing in these waters, because when our ancestors got here, they carved out what is called a cultural landscape. And so when we saw the oyster shells as we were coming down the long driveway, and we have an oyster picker right there, all right, he said, "You're going the right place, Queen, because look at the oyster shell." I I said, I know that much. And so definitely we want you to join us. I have some flyers here. Please make sure that you come on over and see me and grab one. April the 22nd, Earth Day, if you're not going to March somewhere else, because there are plenty of those happening, right? Please come down the creek or leeways and things like that to St. Helena Island to our Coastal Cultures Conference, where we're going to continue this celebration of sustaining cultural heritage, especially in the face of climate change. But Amy, last night, thinking about coming here, I could not let go of a song that all of us in here ought to know. So I want y'all to help me sing, all right? Even the ones who can't sing, y'all don't have to do nothing. Y'all can just hum along, okay? We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end, 'cause we are the champions, we are the champions, no time for losers. We are the champions. What? Of the world. There you go. Keep on fighting, y'all. Keep on winning. It's a blessing. Peace and blessings, everybody.